Guys, on this glorious day in Ireland, Discovery is back on the channel today. There's a couple of bits and pieces I want to fix and I want to try to fix. One of the main ones is the side mirror, the passenger mirror. The motor on it is gone. A few episodes ago I was trying to fix it and failed, but in the meantime I told you that I'm gonna order a replacement, and I did. There it is, that's the replacement, but it came with a surprise because it's actually not a replacement for a Discovery, it's actually a replacement motor for smart car. So what else? Long story short, it's the same motor, it just has a different plug. As you can see at this stage I have extended the cables, so I'll try to wire it to the existing I'm gonna try to wire it to the existing cables that are on the mirror, but that's in a further stage. And other than that, I also have cruise control, and I heard it's literally just plug and play. So that's going to be on the agenda today. And other than that, I do have a couple of other bits and pieces I want to do. I'm not sure will I have enough time today to do it, but I will aim towards it. So yeah, now before I will do anything, I have a load of turf that I need to bag and store. So what's going to happen is I need to do it now to make some space. So welcome back to the channel again, and enjoy the watch. Hydration break. Poor chap. Right, that was a lot. Okay, so hydration break completed. So now I will attempt to fix the mirror. And how should I do that? Do I need to take off the mirror? I don't think I need to take off the mirror. Hold on a second, I'll have a look what I need to do. Right, so that holds with just a cable tie. Okay, it's snapped. These two here. This needs to come out somehow. Obviously not that way and not that way. So this will come off. Those 3 screws out, and that's gonna come off, and let's see. Right, not much logic to it. I can assume that the 2 blue cables are ground and the white one is either left. One is this motor and the other one is the other motor. So yeah, not much to it. Now question is, do I want to snap the cables or... Yeah, I think I'll do. Because the heating element is actually attached to the mirror, so that's what's heating up the mirror. Okay, now if you're wondering why did I got a different motor, is actually by mistake. Come on, I'll show you now. So fit. Right. So the serial number is 2063795, right? And the serial number for this is oh fuck. Never mind. It's got to be a mistake, but they look exactly the same. I'm just wondering if I... Jesus, please. Yeah, that sits. And that sits right. Okay. Let's hope that will work. Okay, so I just wedged the cables in. I just want to see whether that motor is moving when I'm gonna start pressing the buttons. Let's see. Hey, it's moving. Okay, so this is what we have. I'm gonna leave it like that because just in case if that's gonna break again in the future, hopefully not, I'll be able to just replace it. How to put you this? It wasn't easy. It wasn't just straightforward. It involved a little bit more work. Let me explain. So when I had all this connected, I wasn't able to actually fit the attachment that holds the mirror. Sorry. So what I had to do is I had to shave the new attachment for the mirror and then make the original clamp fit. So now this is just a Tech 7 glue. So now when this is gonna dry, I'll be able to fully attach the mirror, and that should, fingers crossed, be working. Now I left them in here because if I need to, I'm not sure that I've wired it up correctly, you know, the horizontal and vertical. I'm not sure, horizontal, vertical. I'm not sure that I've connected the wires correctly, so all I had to do is just swap them around if it needs to be. Anyway, I'm leaving that for drying, and now I will go and attempt to fix the fit the cruise control. So what I know so far is that involves removing the ABS. You can tell I'm tired. That involved removing the airbag in order to fit the new keys. So I will look up what I need for it, and I'll start working on it now. Okay, so job done. I took a template with a masking tape. There you go. So I did myself a template out of masking tape. So I've attached it to one side. It was stuck like this, right? Right, and I've used this as my reference point and that as my reference point, so when I was stuck down I was able to actually, you know, trace the hole. And then when I had it cut out, I actually pushed it, put it on the other side, and I did the same. As you can see, there's a reference point in here, and you can use that as a reference point as well. And when you put that against it, it has one hand. Right, so when you put that against it, right, it will match this point, and it will match, this is what you're looking for, and it will match that point as well. Here you go, matches and matches. So with that, I was able then to trace with the drill bit just around. There you go. So I was just able to trace it all around with the drill bit, and then, you know, a little bit of cut here and there with the Stanley knife, and that worked fine. I don't know, would I be able to actually push that anywhere more, but to be honest with you, I'm not gonna lose sleep over it. And this button alone, it's just a matter of taking it out. There's wiring loom inside. You just take it out, put the fresh one in, and just good to go. So if you're wondering why I actually took the steering wheel off, I just pushed it out a little bit, because so alignment on my car is perfect, it drives straight, but the steering wheel was working on a slight angle. So I thought to myself, you know what, if I can take this out and just move it a couple of degrees and slot it back in, it will be perfect. And I hope that this will do the trick. If not, once you, I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't easy to actually fucking push the steering wheel out, but I've used some of the penetration oil. I left it for a couple of minutes, then I was doing this part here, and then, you know, I was able to take the steering wheel out. So hopefully steering wheel is in a better position than it was before. I'm not expecting perfection, but at least I'll be able to see all the gauges if the steering wheel is straight. So now I just need to put everything back together, and I have one more job to do.